Welcome back. Rico Money Bags, the channel helping you invest in yourself so we can invest in the future. Make sure you smash the like button, make sure the bell notifications lit, and make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Also, do not miss out on the Money Bag alerts, okay? That is in the Money Bags mansion. The link is down below. It is free and always will be free, just like this is a Money Bag alert. I called this one very early. I got something that I'm going to show you guys, okay? We're going to talk about the bot. We're going to talk about all this stuff to all the new subscribers. If you're an OG or veteran, make sure you guys smash the like button. Let's get this video to over 100 likes to let everybody know what's good with the SHARX bot, okay? This is a very powerful bot, but I want to show you guys something because we're going to do some price prediction, some technical analysis at the end of the video, and why this is still a Money Bag alert. It's still early, okay? Let me show you guys something. This is me right here calling this at $283,000 market cap, right? $283,000 market cap. Keep that in mind. We also got some special things that I'm lining up with the team. So I need you guys, if you're part of the RaidSharks community, to have the bell notification lit. We got some special things coming to the channel for you guys. Experience the future of the Telegram community engagement. Turn your rating process into a game at no cost and select from a wide array of features to customize your experience. Guys, I'm already using this bot. This bot's absolutely amazing. We got a project with a solid team providing real value, real utility in the space. We always talk about that, right? That's how you get the marketplace to answer back to you. That's why we're seeing a chart that is pumping and just broke its all-time high. And we're going to talk about it, right? You guys there was an opportunity to get in right here. Look at how many zeros. 3 zeros. That opportunity is not there no more, okay? But that's okay. There's still some price ranges that you guys can get into. So elevate your X game with our dynamic Telegram raid bot for unparalleled engagement. Our Telegram raid bot addresses the lack of engagement within Telegram groups, offering a strategy to increase the engagement your content deserves. Through RaidSharks bot, we empower you to bridge the gap between your endeavors and the engagement you seek. This is something that I'm currently using, so I can talk about this very thoroughly. This has helped the TG tremendously, and we'll get to that in just a bit, but I want to talk about RaidSharks right now. We got all data within an infinitely flexible interface, right? Identifying most engaged community members. One thing I want to talk about the interface, it's not only flexible but very easy to use. I mean, it's super easy to set up. It does not take long. I mean, it's probably 10 minutes, if that. It's really up to you, and it's real easy to play around with the features. So execute X raids and acquire valuable insight. The TG, since we have been using it personally, has been growing. So I personally want to say thank you to the RaidSharks team, and this service that you guys are providing to the marketplace. Just all available settings within a slick UI. It is very slick. It works perfect. It does what it's supposed to do, and that's what you want, right? Targets. Adjust group targets and count only interactions from your community members on Telegram. Group settings. Save all settings on group level and change only when needed. Raid forwarding. Collaborate with your partner projects with join raids to get even more exposure on X. This is nice right here. This is very nice, and this is something that I've been doing kind of with some of the shield spaces that I've been having. I'm noticing that when you kind of rub a lot of elbows or bring communities together, it gets things a lot more spicier, right? Things get a lot more fun. This is one of the projects that it's no secret. Everybody knows I'm super bullish on, right? And was because the reason I made the first RaidSharks video was because Fake Token was adding the RaidSharks bot. And I said, wait a minute, you're telling me that Fake Token's adding the RaidSharks bot before Smart DeFi is coming out? What's going on? So I had to come do my due diligence, come do my own research, and check this out. Fake took the opportunity to incorporate the very effective RaidSharks bot into its shilling strategy, and the results so far have been simply incredible. I mean, and I can second that 100%. I want you guys to come over here and give RaidSharks a follow. That is at RaidSharks. Make sure the bell notification is lit. Check this out right here. We're going to start off right at the top. Fresh off the press, coming to you guys right now. We've always been committed to earning and keeping your trust. And today we're proud to celebrate reaching $1 million market cap, which we're going to talk about, okay? To mark this milestone, we've extended our liquidity lock from 08 or from 8/21/25, or they extended it to the 2025. Thank you for your continued support. So that is very bullish. We got some people talking about the charts. Oh yeah, look at this. We're talking about breaking out. But if you guys were in the Money Bags mansion, if you guys were subscribed to the channel, you would have got in at 200 and something K market cap. It's very important that you guys stay tapped in with me. All right, so we got another project doing what it do, right? Exciting news for RaidSharks. It is now in RaidSharks bot is now in 26 100 Telegram groups, reaching a whopping 1.2 million users, and it gets better. 13K verified users engage with the bot daily. Thank you for that. You can't deny that. You cannot deny that right there. And you guys know what? Let me scroll down. I'm doing a little plug. You guys know that I'm using the Raid bot, the RaidShark bot right now. This is the project that I'm launching on Smart DeFi, and I had to do my own research, and that's, we got the bot up inside there, and we have noticed a drastic change in our Telegram and X engagement. It works. It actually works. And you know what? Kudos to everybody. And of course, big shout out to our bags. If you put a bag in this early on with me, you are up right now. Everybody, we are up. Let's talk about some entry points. Let's get everybody in this. This is that psychological barrier, right? The forbidden fruit, that $1 million market cap. It's so hard to get there, right? But once we get there, then it's nothing. Now it's on. Now the races are on, everybody. Now we made it to the $1 million market cap. We're there. We're there, everybody. This is what we wanted, right? So let's layer this up. We're at the daily chart, but we're looking at this $1 million market cap, right? As far as market cap, that's what's important for us. But holding on to anything 202, that's super bullish, right? That's that round number up here. But we're gonna get to that in a second. That's where we're at right now. I want to see where potentially a pullback could happen right here. Okay. So we see this consolidation happening. Let's layer the chart up a little bit, just in case some people want to enter, right? We see prior resistance, some taps. This could be that section. So that's 2 zeros, and then maybe if it wicked underneath the 2. But if it doesn't, if we hold anything above this 0, it's a round number, 202. That means that we're in the running for 2025, which is the next, round number. So it's going to go 2 into zeros, then 25, then 3, then 35, then 4, just like that. Okay, that's how it works. So right now we're looking pretty good. Right here at this 25 would be our next target. Really going to that $1.5 million market cap. This is still going to be a money bag alert. We're going to watch this one grow. I'm talking to the team to do something special for this community, something on the channel. I want you guys to tap and have the bell notification lit. This is probably, as even, like, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I'm gonna be transparent. When Smart DeFi, should be going live today, a lot more projects are going to be getting the RaidShark bot, and people are going to be finding out about this. And more people should most likely be getting a bag, because obviously they're going to be getting more exposure as more people start onboarding this bot into their TG. People be like, hey, where's this bot coming from? And to me, that's simple math. That's why it's not financial advice, everybody. We get the cliche out the way. But, if it holds right here onto this 2, that's good. It can go ahead and pump. If it doesn't, then we know that it's going to hold right here, and see if it can hold onto this right here, right? Just a wick underneath, because this is prior resistance becoming future support, and the markets do that. Obviously, sometimes we hold on to the round numbers. I'm not trying to FUD nobody's bag. I know it's pumping. We're doing good. I want people to enter, everybody. Look, the prices are going up. I actually want us to delete a 0. That's what I really want us to do. Let's go straight to a $100 million market cap. Let's not even play around. Let's pump all the way up there. But right now, in the short term, what we're talking about is holding anything above this prior resistance, becoming a future support. That's still healthy. I just want people to understand that if they see pullbacks, not to be shaken out, that this is still a money bag alert. They are providing real value to the marketplace, value that I'm even using myself. And I believe that this is going to continue to grow. It's very simple math over here. So here goes your second chance at a $1 million market cap. It's up to you whether you guys get an entry or not. Make sure you guys have your bell notifications lit. Make sure you guys are tapped in with me, and continue to come back and experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time, you guys know what it is.